Tunisian Tourism and Handicrafts Minister said that tourism revenues have risen by 82% compared to 2021 to reach $876 million in the second week of September. Despite the increased revenues, the gap in tourism receipts is estimated at 28% lower compared to 2019.
The tourism recovery in Tunisia is underway. We are still using 2019 as a reference because it was the peak season with 9.4 million tourists. It is also the last tourist season before the onset of the pandemic, which paralyzed this vital sector. Our objective is to resume a normal activity and to record a better performance in terms of revenue and visiting tourists.
The minister added that the government has put in place no strategy for the revival of tourism during the 2022-2024 period.
Our strategy is based on improving and diversifying the tourist offer in the short term. We are restructuring the sector to guarantee the conditions of a solid recovery in the mid-term and innovating in order to seize the opportunities which arise in the long term.
Authorities are also promoting the handicrafts sector, which employs over 350,000 professionals. The volume of exports of Tunisian handicrafts reached around $30 million by the end of August 2022, increasing by 50% compared to 2021.
We are happy that the craft sector is back and exports are on the rise after more than 2 years of hardships due to the pandemic. Despite the high cost of raw materials, we are optimistic about the future. When the tourism activity resumes, all stakeholders will benefit from this recovery.
Authorities say 29 cruises arrived in Tunisia in the first 8 months of 2022, with 29,000 tourists on board. 14 other cruises are scheduled by the end of December, which will bring the number of cruises to 43 for the 2022 season. The activity of cruise ships in Tunisia was interrupted for more than 7 years due to insecurity and terror threats in the North African country. Now that the security and health situations are improving, Tunisia aims to attract 6 million tourists by the end of this year.